Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI PCT CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics and we can see the product name MAGLUMI PCT CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Here we can see the contents of this product: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label, 5.5 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this product 130266001M, then lot number and the expiry date. Instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is the overall front view of this product. Here we can see another angles. This is a top view. On the other angles, we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the other side, we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the other side, we can see the MAGLUMI PCT. Here we can see the reference number 130266001M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall representation of this kit. I am going to unpack this for your reference. I'm going to unpack this. After unpacking, the first product is the instruction manual. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, then product MAGLUMI PCT CLIA. Here we can see the C certificate IVD product and reference number 130266001M for 100 test kit. Here we can see the inventive summary, test principle, reagents, then specimen collection and preparation of analyzers, lot of stuff in this instruction manual. And keep this aside. The next one is a reagent seal. Here we can see the PCT, a MAGLUMI reagent seal. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. The next one is here we can see this is a control stickers, total number of 8 NOS. The first 4 is for control 1, then the second 4 is for control 2, total of 8 NOSes. The next product is controls, control 1 and control 2, both are 1 ml. This is a well packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we can see the control solutions. I am taking one. This is control 1 solution, PCT CLIA. This is a 1 ml volume. Here you can see the brand name MAGLUMI PCT control 1. I will keep this aside. After that, the second one is control 2. Here we can see a volume of 1 ml, then brand name MAGLUMI PCT control 2, and keep this aside. And the next one is it's a reagent kit, MAGLUMI PCT CLIA. Here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label, 5.5 ml dilute. We can store away from direct sunlight. This product should maintain between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is a C certificate IVD product. I'm going to accept this. Here we go for summary. Today we can see MAGLUMI PCT. This kit contains one instruction manual, one MAGLUMI reagent seal, control stickers, QC certificate and control solutions, then reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label, 5.5 ml dilute. This is the overall representation of this kit. Thank you.